Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Maranta has a botanical name, Maranta Leuconeura. This plant is also known as a prayer plant, as the leaves folds or droops at night time. This plant belongs to the species of flowering plant, which is the family of Marantaceae, and it is native to the tropical forest of Brazil. Maranta plant performs well in a hanging pots and loves low light and average moisture. You can water this plant every 1 to 2 weeks and ensure to use the filtered water or leaving water out overnight before using them. Indeed, this plant is a little finicky, but once you have a hand of it and established a happy corner of your home by leaving them alone, they will surely reward you with a plenty and a beautiful foliage. Most of Maranta species produce a rosmarinic acid, an active component of rosemary, which gives a characteristic of rosemary scent. So if you have a pet and you want to own one of this Maranta plant, don't worry because this is a pet-friendly plant and will not harm your little pooch. So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you there!